Alright, let's check out what's going on with Bitcoin. So in the past few videos, we basically said, it was probably likely that we were going to come back and backtest the 40,000 at some point. Whether that was a rejection or we break above it, we said it's probably more likely that we come up, have a rejection, and then fall over. We did have our price target down here at 32,900, basically 33,000. So far, we've come down to 34,400. So in yesterday's video, I basically said, I wouldn't quibble over like a 4% move. Personally, in yesterday's video, I did state that I did buy some Bitcoin down here at 36,000. It was basically like halfway through this wick. Now in the UK, I think it was like 2 or 3 a.m. when this wick came down here, so I was fast asleep. I didn't get the dip, unfortunately, but I got a half decent price target down here, so I got in at 36,000. Do bear in mind as well, I have bought some at 40,000. I did buy some, I can't remember where it was. I think it was when we just broke out of 40,000 like a couple of weeks ago, but I have been slowly accumulating Bitcoin again. So while in all of my videos I have said I am sitting on the sidelines for altcoins, personally I am buying cheap Bitcoin at this point. I am dollar cost averaging, so we said that we were probably going to come back and backtest 40,000. That was our prediction. We came up to as high as 39,700 today, so we basically, fulfilled our target. What do I see happening now? So I want to come over to the stock market and show you 3 indicators that I would need to see us close, at least a weekly candle above before I do get out of bed and start thinking that the markets are turning around. So what I'm saying is this is very likely to be the bottom. I did say my worst case scenario is down here at 28,000, but I do think it's more likely we bottom between 30 and 31,000 at Michael Saylor's average buy-in price. So we came down to 34,000. I wouldn't really be quabbling about going down another 10% to buy. Like I said, I am laddering in buys. If we do just start exploding up now, so be it. I'll probably use that money that I have on the sidelines to buy some altcoins that do have some good risk adjusted returns. But in the short term, I am out of altcoins. You can see that we have come back and tested this 40,000 bar like a £300 move. So we really were only like so far not even a 1% move away from our price target. So it is still possible that we do come up to 40,000. I have said in my past few videos I would need to see us do something like this, break above 40,000 and then break above 46,000. So the reason why I want to get above 46,000, if you kind of go back to my videos that I made around this time, around this time on the 14th of February after the dump, we retested this trend line and we said, we have broken out of this, big descending resistance. That is the number one important thing to keep an eye out on. But we did say, personally, I wouldn't be going over the moon. I wouldn't be spending all my money on Bitcoin until we do re-break above this 46,000. You can see we came up, everyone was extremely bullish when we came to almost 45,000, and I was saying, once we break above 46,000 I'll be bullish, and we fell off the table. So I kind of did see this coming. Well, at least I said I was sitting on the sidelines until I saw this coming. I didn't personally really see that we were going to be breaking down until we did come down to 40,000. Once we lost 40,000, we put this price target all the way down here, and at that point it was a 17% drop, and we've come down 14% so far. So like I said, I'm not going to be quabbling with a 4% drop to the downside to fulfill my target. I am buying Bitcoin, not on the daily, but I am looking for days where we do have drops, and I am accumulating then. So all in all, not too much has changed for Bitcoin. In the short term, for me to get micro bullish, I would need to see us break above 40,000. Once we do close a daily candle above 46,000, I will be back into trading mode. Like I said, I have been sitting on the sideline for the past couple of weeks. So to wrap up the video, if we do come over to the DXY, like it says here, the dollar retreats as risk appetites return. So personally, I wouldn't necessarily call this a retreat. Not even a 1% drop, and we still could be setting up for a nice W breakout, something like this. So all in all, like I said, nothing's changed. If we do come back here on the dollar and start shooting through the moon, that would probably mean that Bitcoin has returned to 40,000, then fallen off the table. So I am waiting till we break above 40,000, and then even then I would still be waiting till we break above 46. Once we break above 46, I believe it is, you know, somewhat clear skies to the all-time high. You can see that you would get a 50% return at that point if we did return to the all-time high. So I'd be much more comfortable to enter the market then, specifically for altcoins. But, you know, like I said, I am buying cheap Bitcoin at these prices. I love Bitcoin, and I am not letting, you know, cheap Bitcoin at these prices get away from me. So yeah, that is all I see for the Bitcoin price today. Once again, none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.